Do you suddenly find yourself incredibly wealthy? Congratulations! But what should you do next? First, take a deep breath and resist the urge to splurge. Don't spend recklessly. Consider getting professional advice from a financial advisor to help you manage your new fortune. Think about your long-term goals and invest wisely to secure your financial future. Set up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and have peace of mind. Pay off any high-interest debts you may have to alleviate financial burdens. Consider donating a portion of your newfound wealth to causes that are important to you. Treat yourself to a well-deserved vacation, but be sure to budget and not overspend. Build a diverse investment portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns. Remember to give back to your community. Consider establishing a charitable foundation or supporting local initiatives. Stay grounded and don't let your wealth change your values or the way you treat others. Think carefully before sharing your financial windfall with family and friends, as it can lead to strained relationships. Hold off on making any major life decisions until you have had time to adjust to your newfound wealth. Educate yourself on financial literacy. Learn about money management, taxes, and wealth preservation. Consider hiring a team of professionals, such as accountants and lawyers, to assist you with financial matters. Keep your privacy and personal security in mind, as sudden wealth can attract unwanted attention. Remember that material possessions will not bring lasting fulfillment. Focus on experiences and personal growth. Avoid flashy displays of wealth that can invite undue attention or potentially put you in danger. Take the time to enjoy your newfound financial freedom and indulge in some of your passions and hobbies. Consider setting up a trust or foundation to protect your assets and maintain your wealth for future generations. Don't forget to take care of your physical and mental well-being. Invest in your health and happiness. Surround yourself with trustworthy and knowledgeable individuals who can guide you through your new financial reality. Be cautious of new and potential friends who may only be interested in your money. Remember that money is just a means to an end. It's what you do with it that truly matters.